We've taken intelligent hydraulic control to a whole new level with Case E-Series. The first thing people often talk about when they talk about Case excavators is the smoothness and the responsiveness of the controls. That's entirely in the hydraulics. The all-new E-Series from Case now gives you even more control over how the machine responds and works with you through a new feature we call Hydraulic Flow Control Balance. Through the massive new 10-inch LCD display, Hydraulic Flow Control Balance allows you to customize the priority of hydraulic flow being used for arm-in and boom-up movements when multifunctioning, and for arm-in and swing movements. This makes the excavator even more responsive and efficient based on the type of work and the operator's preference. Contact your local Case dealer to learn more today about the E-Series, or visit us online at casece.com for more information.